Coupons and rebates can be tricky. If you buy an item on the wrong date or in the wrong style or size or number, you can't redeem them. If you don't send in the actual cash register receipt or the label from the original box, you won't get your refund. You might find them too late. Then you lose the money that you hoped you would save. Rejoicing turns to disappointment in a hurry. The redemption that Jesus offers us is nothing like that. It's a simple trade. We owe God our very lives. Jesus Christ pays our debt. The lives that we deserve to lose are saved because of His life given for us. It doesn't matter what size, what shape, color, or even religion we are. It doesn't matter when in our lives we discover Christ's life-saving offer or how much debt we've accumulated. Our hope will not be disappointed. So this Passion Sunday presents the result of the Gospels that we have been hearing for the last several weeks. In conversing with the Samaritan woman and staying in her town, Jesus traded in His ritual purity as a Jew to give her life-giving water. In curing the man born blind on the Sabbath, Jesus traded His status as a life-abiding Jew and as a respected prophet in order to give him the light by which to see. In going back to Judea to raise Lazarus, Jesus risked His life to bring Lazarus back to life. Now, in the Passion, Jesus exchanges His life for the redemption of the world.